Hey there, welcome to this video where we'll be talking about stump removal machines. If you've ever had a tree cut down and are left with an unsightly stump in your yard, then you know how frustrating it can be. But don't worry, with the right equipment, you can easily remove those stumps and make your yard look beautiful again. In this video, we'll be going through a list of machines used for stump removal. Be sure to watch the video all the way to the end. The first machine on our list is a handheld grinder. These are small, portable machines that are perfect for removing small to medium-sized stumps. Handheld grinders use a rotating cutting wheel to grind down the stump below ground level, making it easier to remove. Attention all heavy machinery enthusiasts! We've released a new collection of t-shirts featuring prints of excavators, dump trucks, tractors, combines, and more. It's a perfect gift for loved ones or a favorite t-shirt for yourself. Click the link in the description to visit our store and check out our collection. Next up, we have chemical stump removers. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to stump removal, then this might be the method for you. Chemical stump removers work by speeding up the natural decomposition process of the stump. Simply apply the chemicals to the stump and wait for it to break down over time. Another option for stump removal is using a chainsaw. Chainsaws are great for cutting stumps into smaller pieces that can be easily removed. However, this method can be time-consuming and may not be suitable for larger stumps. Moving on, we have skid steers and mini loaders. These machines are small and maneuverable, making them perfect for removing stumps in tight spaces. They come equipped with a bucket attachment that can dig around the stump and lift it out of the ground. For larger stumps, you might need a walk-behind stump grinder. These machines are bigger than handheld grinders and are designed to remove larger stumps. They come in various sizes and can be powered by electricity, gasoline, or diesel engines. If you have a lot of stumps to remove, then you might need a trailer-mounted or track stump grinder. These machines are mounted on trailers or tracks, making them easy to move from one location to another. They are also more powerful than walk-behind stump grinders, making them ideal for large-scale stump removal projects. Moving on to the heavy-duty equipment, we have excavators and backhoes. These machines are used for larger stumps and are perfect for removing stumps in tight spaces. They have a bucket attachment that can dig around the stump and remove it from the ground. Finally, we have mulchers and bulldozers. These machines are used for large-scale stump removal projects and are perfect for clearing large areas of land. Mulchers uses a rotating drum to grind stumps and other debris into small pieces, while bulldozers can push over stumps and move them to a different location. Introducing a website that unlocks access to an incredible selection of used and repossessed government cars, trucks, and SUVs, all available for purchase at up to 95% discounts. With over 4,000 government auction listings throughout the United States, this website is the perfect place to find your next vehicle. You'll have access to both live and online auctions, so you can participate in the way that suits you best. Why pay full price for your next car when you could save thousands of dollars by purchasing at a government auction? Don't miss out on this opportunity to get an amazing deal. Click the link in the attached comment to start browsing today.